I suppose our long-term goal is to be able to walk in the door of the Celtic Junction and, you know, we hear the music, we hear the dance, but to hear the Irish language as well, you know, to hear people say, you know, you know, to hear that around the place, that, you know, and we do hear that when you come to the library, but to hear it everywhere. And actually we have some nights that we do hear it when we're all together, but to hear that on a more regular basis and to develop that going forward. So yes, I believe it's important to give it to the next generation and for the next. And so we, a lady who you'll probably meet before the day is out, for example, she has a grandchild and she speaks it to her grandchild as I speak it to my little boy. And to think that we're passing it on to the next generation, I think that's the greatest gift we can give them. That's from myself. I'm not musical, so he won't get the music from me, but if I can give him the language, that's my music.